Hi, welcome to Learn a Lot. In this video, I'm going to show you to install and configure our own WordPress in Windows machine. There is so many ways we can create WordPress in Windows environment. Today, we will do it by using AMPS developed by Softaculous. What is AMPS? AMPS is a software package to install Apache, MySQL, PHP, Perl, Python, and Softaculous. It will create a local server in your computer. And using AMPS, we can install more than 400 apps in a click. And finally, AMPS is free. To install AMPS, open your browser and enter amps.com and click on Download AMPS button. Here we are installing Windows 64-bit exe. Click on 64-bit. Open the downloaded executable file and install it as regular setup file. Now you can see the AMP server started with Apache, PHP and MySQL, and the services are started successfully. Now click on Home button. It will show you localhost AMPS page. Here you can see all the ready to install apps under different categories. WordPress will be in blocks. Click the WordPress link from the blocks category. Click Install Now button. I will change my website name and the password of the admin user. Click Install button. Now our first WordPress site is hosted. We can go to the URL of our WordPress site by clicking on this link or typing your domain name in the address bar. We'll do administrative activities by using this link. This is your domain name /wp-admin. Using the administrative URL, we can customize our website by adding posts, pages, and images in our WordPress website. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel.